whoever idea it was to strap a big block to a tiny C2 Corvette, thank you. You are a true American.
Oh my God, you are. You're fantastic in all the things and stuff. Oh, good for you, Jake. That is rocket fire, man. That is so cool. Hi everybody, I'm Christopher, the guy behind the cameras, Jake the Snake, and this is Fast Lane Classic Cars, and this is a 1967 Corvette with a 427 big block with a 4-speed. It is Lynndale Blue. Yes, Lynndale Blue. It is a gorgeous car. It's got the wonderful side pipes, it's got the red line tires, and oh, look at this. Look, it's a C2. Now this isn't the favorite, well, it's my favorite instrumentation panel, but in 67 these are flat gauges, but boy is it nice. AM FM stereo, beautiful, beautiful car. Good Lord. You have the keys there, Mr. Jake McJagerton?
I do have the keys. Yeah. They're in my pocket.
I'm not reaching in your pocket. Oh, there they are. It is a gorgeous car. Lynndale Blue. It has been gone through. It is beautiful. It's got the, well, it's not an electric top. It's a manual top because this is still a manual age, but man, is it cool. I love a big block.
It's a black top. It's really easy to do. I'll add some footage of me putting it up and or down or both.
Okay.
Over the video overlay. Door panels look fantastic.
Yes, they do.
Everything's blue.
Everything's very blue, but
I've noticed
Lynndale Blue. I really like the Lynndale.
I've noticed it's a lot of blue. I also love the chrome shifter that these 4-speeds had.
The M22. That is an M22 Muncie, ladies and gentlemen, so beautiful car. Man, it's a gorgeous car.
Big wooden steering wheel. You want to pop the hood for us?
And it's got a hood release inside the car, ladies and gentlemen.
Corvette look at the big block hood too, with 427 and the Stinger. Ooh, just awesome.
My favorite. Oh, look at those. It's got 3 deuces on it, ladies and gentlemen. And it's got huge valve covers.
Yes.
Wow, it's a beautiful car.
It's a big engine.
Big engine stuff.
Big engine, small car.
Yes.
Which means very fast.
Oh boy,
these are still wicked quick by today's standards.
Yes, 425 horses, or 435 horses. Whew. That's a little bit frightening with a car this small, but hey, there's only one way to find that out, isn't there, Jake?
Yes, there is.
I think we should drive it.
I think we should.
Let us do it. Oh, thank you.
Well, it sounds good.
Oh my God, it sounds heavenly. Oh, I'm gonna throw this by your feet.
I've always said that these big blocks sound like they're underwater.
Very good, I like that.
Don't they just sound like...
It's so cool.
But it's a good sound.
Oh, it's the best sound.
All right, here we go. Big block Corvette.
Big block Corvette things. We got a lot of cars out today.
No power steering?
No.
You don't need it. Big steering wheel.
Huge steering wheel, I love it. And it's just a fun car. I mean, look at it. It's Lynndale Blue.
Not a heavy car, so
no.
It's not difficult to steer, even at low speeds.
I almost wish it were a little heavier, but that's okay. It's a light car with a lot of power.
Yeah. Well, this would theoretically have heavier steering than like a 327 car because the engine's got a lot of weight up there. Over the front tires.
Ton of weight. Oh boy. That's a little mess getting out of there until they finish that.
Yeah, they got a lot of potholes out there still.
Oh, I just love the winter time.
Over here we have Corvette on my glove box. In case you forgot what you were in.
It's hard to believe that we're in a Corvette, isn't it?
Not really. Everything screams Corvette in there. Plus all the Lynndale Blue. All right, I think you're good. Here we go. Oh, wow. Second gear.
Oh, it's very notchy. I love a Muncie.
It's one of my favorite 4-speeds ever.
Really, it is. It is. Although that Boss 302 the other day was sure fun.
That was nice, but the C2 Corvette it's different. But it's a good different. It's better. Look at all these. There's a lot of white fuzzies flying around here in Missouri right now. It's the springtime.
It's the season.
Stuff is blooming. Pollen is everywhere. It's annoying.
Very annoying, but part of life.
Around the roundabout. Handles well. God, it drives nice.
Oh, man, I'm in love.
Oh, third gear. Cruise is nice.
It's got 308 rear gears and Posi-Traction, so it's definitely a cruiser.
It's not bad.
50 miles an hour, going about 2,000 RPMs.
308 is a bit low, but when you have 435 horsepower, does it really matter?
I don't think so.
Not really. I think if this had like 410 gears or...
Oh, can you imagine?
It would be too much.
Oh, that'd be some noise.
But this is best of both worlds. It's still incredibly fast,
yes,
but you can cruise it on the highway.
And it's beautiful. I mean, this Lynndale Blue.
Oh, yeah. It's gorgeous. Look at that hood and those massive fenders out there.
And then the black there, I just think it's cool. And then, of course, from the driver's side, and possibly the passenger side, you always know what the engine is. 427.
Yeah, you can see the badge out there, of course. In the middle, you got your clock and your kind of air fan controls right there. And then below it is that AM/FM radio you were talking about.
Oh, sure.
And you use this to switch between the two. It rolls that little tumbler back and forth.
Isn't that cool?
Very cool. Down below, you have the shifter down here, obviously.
Iconic.
You got the little plaque there to show the different, where the gears are and whatnot, and a little ashtray. And the lighter for said ashtray is up here, in case you want to take up smoking. But don't smoke, kids. Smoke tires, not cigarettes.
That's right, kids.
And this will smoke its tires. Almost certainly.
Let's not do it, though.
No, we're not going to do it. But it will, and it can. Not white tires on the C2.
No, no. They're very kind of tiny.
By today's standards, they're bicycle tires.
True.
That have to put 435 horsepower to the ground.
They were mad scientists back then, weren't they?
We also have great gauges that all work. The coolant gauge is starting to come up. Oil pressure is great. We got about a quarter tank of fuel. Speedo tack. Let me see the gauges real quick. I don't know.
Sure.
See if the camera will pick them up. Look at those. I love the C2 gauges.
You do.
They're so nice.
I like the early C2 gauges, but these will do in a pinch.
Yeah, the earlier ones are concave, and the needle actually comes out and is bent at the end in order to follow the gauges. These are still cool. The layout's the same, just slightly different.
Like a rocket ship.
Here we are at our flyby. Or not flyby, bean test. What am I saying?
You're funny.
Here we go. Second gear. Okay. Third gear.
That guy's slowing down, so let's just not go.
There's a truck in front of us.
He lost your pad.
We caught up to him in a hurry.
Yeah, it wasn't very hard to do.
Wow.
It's a lot of car.
Yeah, I'd say so.
It's a championship car for champions.
Whose ever idea it was to strap a big block to a tiny C2 Corvette, thank you. You are a true American.
Oh my God, you are. You're fantastic in all the things and stuff. What a car. And the road feel.
And especially this C2 in particular, we've driven a lot of them. Just the feel of this one, it seems very well done.
Oh, this is a beast, and it's been very well restored, and I love it.
Every C2 I've ever driven drives flawlessly, but this is just...
it's a pretty one.
Well restored.
It is well restored. It's beautiful. I really like it a lot. 460 miles on the build, so plus, yay us.
You can't really knock it. It's got a big block and a 4-speed.
It's a big block.
And it's blue.
It's blue, Lynndale Blue.
It's gorgeous. It might be green to him, but you know, he's
kind of does look a little green. Maybe gray.
You want to do some flybys?
Let's do it. I think Jake's a little nervous, as well he should be. It's a great car. Oh boy. There you go. It cruises around a parking lot. He can cruise around anywhere. Wow, he was not giving it the beans at all. He was just driving it. Those round taillights. I bet a lot of people saw those in the day. Just the taillights. Man, what a car. Oh, there's another Tesla. I'll give you they're cool looking, but it'd be way cooler if it had a 350 in it. Kind of negates the purpose. But still, here's a car with a big block 427. Oh, good for you, Jake. That is rocket fire, man. That is so cool. His name is Jake the Snake, and he loves his flybys. Do-do-do. So you didn't have any fun at all, did you?
No, that was terrible.
Yeah, he was ready to go to sleep.
I couldn't get the frown off of my face the entire time. You know what a good word is for this car? Rewarding.
Great car.
It rewards you for driving it like a Corvette should be driven, which is quickly. Because, I mean, it's hard not to in the first place. You have 435 horse in a car this tiny. Plus, every gear change was buttery smooth. You don't even have a thought of missing a gear, because there's only one way it can go, and that's slotting right in the gear perfectly every time. Plus, everything works. All the gauges, the blue is incredible. It's just awesome. Plus, you got a big block hood with a stinger, which is just cool looking.
Can't beat it.
I love it. You ready to go back?
Let's go back.
Let's do it.